Hello smart people! As we have known that nowadays, apartment is not only comfortable home with full of facilities to live, but it has been our lifestyle and culture of living in this era. And in this opportunity, I would like to invite you to visit a booming project that locates in the east of Jakarta, which named Jakarta Living Star. Jakarta Living Star Apartments is a Singaporean lifestyle apartment that stands on 4.8 hectares of the land. Located in a strategic location with full of facilities and developed by experienced company PT Sindilik Property Abadi and MCC Singapore. And this project is the first apartment in the east of Jakarta, which has a very competitive price. Our price starts from 300 million to 700 million. And this is the right time for you to invest in our project because our project has just been started. Let's check the videos and the slides. Hello smart people, as we have known that nowadays motor,